how to send Chick-fil-A points to friend. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how whether you can send Chick-fil-A points to friend or not. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So first thing that I want to tell you very regretfully is that you can't send Chick-fil-A points to friend, but you can gift rewards to friends using the Chick-fil-A app or online. And remember, only rewards redeemed using Chick-fil-A 1 points can be gifted. So, in order to send Chick-fil-A reward to friend, you have to follow these steps. So, you can gift an eligible reward by selecting rewards, then redeem in the Chick-fil-A app or online by visiting their website. What you have to do is first select the item you would like to send, then gift to a friend, and follow the prompts to create a link and share with the recipient of your choosing. So that's how you can send Chick-fil-A reward to friend. That's all for this video.